Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To download photos from iCloud to your iPhone and import iCloud photos, you can use the iCloud Photos feature. So here is how you can do it. So firstly, make sure that iCloud Photo is enabled on your iPhone. Now simply go to the settings on your iPhone. After you tap on the settings icon, now simply tap on the your sign into your iPhone option available on top. Firstly, you will have to sign into your iPhone. Then tap on sign in manually and enter your email address. After you enter your email address, continue with the process and now you'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Enter your passcode. After you enter your password, you will get a code to your another logged in device. Now you will have to enter the code and continue with the process. Now after you enter the code, you will be successfully signed in to your account. So after you sign into your account, merge your iCloud to your iPhone option will be available. But if it does not show you, then we have another alternative way as well. So firstly enter your iPhone passcode. After you enter it, you will get to see a option as merge your iCloud to your iPhone. But if you don't see that option same as me, then you can simply do an alternative way. So the alternative way is after you enter your iPhone passcode, you will be shown your Apple ID. Then simply tap on the iCloud options shown inside there. Then tap on the photos and toggle that switch on. So what happens after you toggle that switch on, you will get access to every iCloud photos you have in that Apple ID. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.